I'm pretty certain that after today, you're not going to confuse. Instead, you're going to become more advanced in finding solution. For today's video, I have chosen the most common question asked in the examination, and I'll be giving you a simple solution right now. If you run out of ideas, then watch this video right till the end. See, let's get into today's video that is on regressions. So here we have learnt about the angle between the two regression lines, that is tan theta is equal to 1 minus r square by r into the product of the standard deviations, that is sigma x into sigma y, by sum of the squares of the standard deviations, that is sigma x square plus sigma y square. So this is so simple to remember to find the angle between the two regression lines, that is 1 minus r square by r into sigma x into sigma y divided by sigma x square plus sigma y square. So using this angle, so I am going to find out the correlation coefficient, that is r, between x and y. See, the first question from the textbook here is the tangent of the angle between the two regression lines is 0.6, and if sigma x is equal to half times of sigma y, find the correlation coefficient between x and y. So this is the question, and now just we are going to solve this. So here the tangent of the angle between the two regression lines is given as 0.6, and sigma x is given as half times of sigma y, and now we have to find the correlation coefficient between x and y. See, in this, what is given here? Tan theta value is given. The tangent of the angle here is given, that is the tan theta value is given as 0.6, and it is also given that sigma x value is equal to, this is half times of sigma y. As you know that tan theta value is equal to, so what is our tan theta value? So it is so simple to remember, that is 1 minus r square by r into, this is product of the standard deviation, so that is sigma x into sigma y by sigma x square plus sigma y square. Now I am going to substitute each and every value here. So what is our tan theta value? Tan theta value is nothing but 0.6. Clear? This is 0.6, and this will be 1 minus r square by r into, in place of sigma x, I am going to write half times of sigma y into, there is already one sigma y, divided by, what is sigma x here? This is half times of sigma y whole square plus this is sigma y square. Clear? And now see, we are going to find out the correlation quotient r here. This is 0.6, this is 1 minus r square by r. This is half times of sigma y square by, this value will be 1 by 4 sigma y square plus this is a sigma y square. Clear? And this is going to become 0.6 is equal to 1 minus r square by r. So this is half sigma y square by, if I take sigma y square common, this will be 1 by 4 plus 1 into, this is a sigma y square. So if I cancel this one and see what happens here, so this will be 0.6 is equal to 1 minus r square by r, and this is half by, so this is 4 plus 1, so this value will be 5 by 4, 5 divided by 4. And now the next thing here is, so this is going to become 0.6 is equal to, this is 0.6 is equal to 1 minus r square by r. So this is half into, so if you send it to the numerator, this will be 4 by 5. So this division will become a reciprocal. And now see here, if I cancel for 2 times, so this will be 2 by 5. So this is 0.6 into, if I send to other side, this will be 5.2 is equal to, this is 1 minus r square by r. So this can be written as, this is a 6 by 10 into, the value here is 5 by 2, which is equal to 1 minus r square by r. So if I cancel for 2 times and this for 3 times, though here it will be 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is equal to 1 minus r square by r. So if I cross multiply here, this will be, this is 3r is equal to, this is 2 times of 1 minus r square. So this is 3r is equal to, if I multiply, this is 2 and this is 2r square. So if I bring it to other side, this is 2r square plus 3r minus 2 is equal to 0. So here are the factors 4. This can be written as, this 3 can be written as, this is 4r minus 2 is equal to 0. So if I take 2r common from these two, this will be r plus 2. If I take minus common, this will be r plus 2 is equal to 0. And if I take r plus 2 common from these two, so this will be, if I take r plus 2 common, this will be, this is 2r minus 1 is equal to 0. So if I equate r plus 2 to 0 and 2r minus 1 to 0, so r here is minus 2 and 2r is equal to 1 and r is equal to half. As you know that modulus of r, correlation quotient, ranges from plus 1 to minus 1. As you know that modulus of r ranges from minus 1 to plus 1, and therefore this value is not possible as it is minus 2, and this value is possible as it is in between minus 1 and plus 1. Therefore the correlation quotient, therefore the correlation quotient r is equal to half. So this is the value from the tan theta. When tan theta value is given as 0.6 and sigma x is given as half times of half times of sigma y, then we have to use this angle between the two regression lines and we have to substitute, and so that we'll be getting the correlation quotient value as half. And the next equation here from the textbook here is, so these are all very important here, the repeatedly asked questions. See, in a bivariate population, sigma x is equal to sigma y is equal to sigma, and the angle between the regression lines is tan inverse of 6. Obtain the correlation quotient. Here the condition is given and the theta value is given. Here angle is given as tan inverse of 6. So here this is tan inverse of 6 and sigma x is equal to sigma y is equal to sigma. So this is the condition given, that is a sigma x is equal to sigma y is equal to sigma, and the angle is given as tan inverse of 6, and we have to find the correlation quotient. Clear? And now as you know that we have a formula here. See here in the solution, so what is given here? First, the given values are, the conditions are sigma x is equal to sigma y is equal to sigma, and theta is given as, angle is given as tan inverse of 6 here. And now as you know, we have a formula for tan theta, that is the angle between the two regression lines. Tan theta is so easy, that is 1 minus r square by r into, so we have to make a product for one time and squaring. So here the sum of the squares is sigma x square plus sigma y square. So now I am going to substitute all the values here. So if I substitute all the values in place of theta as tan inverse of 6. So here tan of, in place of theta I am going to substitute, this is tan inverse of 6. So this is 1 minus r square by r. So sigma x is equal to sigma, sigma y is also sigma. So I am writing sigma, so in each and every place here. So here this will be, if I cancel tan and tan inverse, so 6 remains here. 6 is equal to 1 minus r square by r. This is a sigma square and this is 2 into sigma square. If I cancel these two and if I send to other side, this will be 6 into 2 is equal to 1 minus r square by r. So this is going to become 12 is equal to 1 minus r square by r. So if I send to other side, this will be 12r, that is 1 minus r square. So if I send to other side, this will be r square plus 12r minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 1 is equal to, and now we don't have a roots here, and now we are going to use the formula, that is r is equal to, so here r is equal to minus b plus or minus root over, this is b square minus 4ac by 2a. So in this formula, if I substitute, then see what happens here. R value is going to become minus b. So this is minus 12 plus or minus b square, this is b square is 12 square 144 minus 4 into a is 1 and b is minus 1 by this value is 2a. 2 into a value here is 1. Clear? And this is r value is equal to minus 12 plus or minus root 148 divided by 2. Clear? So this value we can write as r is equal to, see here, r is equal to, this is 12 plus or minus 12 plus or minus, this can be written as, this is 37, so 4 times of, this is 4 times of, so if I cancel in 4, this will be 3 12 to 20 37. So this is 4 times of 37 by 2. So this can be written as, if I take 2 common from this will be 6 plus or minus root 37 divided by 2. So here if I cancel this one, so r is getting two values as a 6 plus root 37 and this is a 6 minus root 37. As you know that modulus of r value ranges from plus 1 and minus 1. So this is exceeding 1. This value is exceeding 1, therefore we shouldn't consider this one and we have to consider this one as r is equal to, so here r value is equal to 6 minus root 37 is our correlation quotient. Therefore the value of the correlation quotient, therefore correlation quotient value r is equal to, this is a 6 minus root 37 is r value. So this is how we have to calculate using tan theta value. Here theta value is equal to tan inverse of 6 and sigma x and sigma y are nothing but sigma, and we have to substitute like this and we have to calculate. And now we are getting two r values, and among those we have to select the value which lies between minus 1 and plus 1. So this is the value, that is 6 minus root 37 is the answer. And the next question here from the textbook is, this is also very important. See here, the tangent of the angle between the two regression lines is 0.5. The tangent is given, tan theta is given as 0.5 and sigma x is given as 1 by 4 into sigma y. And now we have to find the value of correlation quotient. This is also very important and repeatedly asked question. See here, as you know, the tangent is given. If angle is given, we have to take it as theta, and if tangent of the angle is given, we have to consider this as tan theta is equal to 0.5, and the condition here is given as a sigma x is equal to 1 by 4 times of sigma y. And now we have to calculate, which one we have to calculate? Correlation quotient. See here, in the solution, what are given? Tangent of the angle tan theta is given as a 0.5 value is given, and the condition sigma x is equal to given as 1 by 4 into sigma y is given. And now we have to find out the correlation quotient. For that, see here, as you know that tan theta value, the angle between the two regression lines is given as 1 minus r square by r into product of the standard deviation, so sigma x into sigma y by sigma x square plus a sigma, this is y square. And now we have to substitute our values. What is our tan theta value? This is a 0.5. So this is 1 minus r square by r. So what is the sigma x here? Sigma x is nothing but 1 by 4 into sigma y, and already there is one sigma y here by, so here in place of sigma x, this is 1 by 4 into sigma y whole square plus this is a sigma y square. So this is a sigma y square. So this value is 0.5 is equal to 1 minus r square by r. So this is 1 by 4 into sigma y square by, so this will be 1 by 16 sigma y square plus this is sigma y square. So this is also sigma y square. So this value is equal to 0.5 is equal to 1 minus r square by r. So this is 1 by 4 sigma y square by, so this is 1 by 16 plus 1 into this value is a sigma y square. So if I cancel this one, see this will be 0.5 is equal to 1 minus r square by r. This is 1 by 4, and if I take LCM, this will be 16 plus 1. So this is a 17 by 16. Clear? So this is 0.5 is equal to 1 minus r square by r into this is 1 by 4 into this is 16 by the value here is 17. So if I cancel in 4 table, this will be 4 by 17, and therefore this value is equal to 0.5 into, if I send to other side, this will be 17 by 4 is equal to, this is 1 minus r squared by r. And now, so if I calculate this one, see, please wait here. So this is 0.5. This is 0.5 into 17 by 4. This is 17 by 4 is equal to 1 minus r squared by r. Clear? And now we are going to find out the value of r. So here this will be, see here using calci, this is 0.5 into 17 divided by 4. The value here is 2.125. This is 2. This is 125 is equal to 1 minus r square by r. So if I send the r to other side, this is 2.125 r is equal to 1 minus r square. So this will be r square plus 2.125 r minus 1 is equal to 0. And next, see here we have to find out the value of r. For that, the formula here is, this is minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So if I use this formula, then r value is equal to minus b, that is minus 2.125 plus or minus root over b square. So this will be, see here, into, this is 2.125. The value here is, this is 4.515. This is 4.515 minus, this is 4 times of, this is a into c. So this value will be 4 by, this value is equal to 2. So r is equal to minus 2. This is 125 plus or minus. So this root value I am going to find, this is 4 plus, this is 4.515 square root. The value here is 2.9. So this is 2.91804 divided by 2. See, if you observe this one, so there are two values here for r. This is minus 2.125 minus this is 2.91804 by 2, and next one is minus 2. This is 125 plus this is 2.91804 divided by 2. So here this is minus. See here, the r value here is minus, this is 2.125 minus this is 2.91804 divided by 2. The value is here, this is minus 2.5. And here if you observe this one, this is minus, this is 2.125 plus this is 2.91804 divided by 2. The value here is 0.396652. See, as you know that modulus of r, always the correlation quotient rise from minus 1 and plus 1. So this is beyond minus 1, and therefore we have to neglect this value, and this is within. So this value is within minus 1 and plus 1. Therefore we have to consider the correlation quotient. Therefore the correlation quotient r value is equal to 0. This is 3965, and this is how we have to calculate using the angles between the two regression lines. Hope you all guys understand. So if you really understand, you know what to do. Please pass it on to as many friends as you can, as this is the most important question. Definitely you can score more, and go to the playlist. So many videos are uploaded for your easy preparation, and avail those. And thank you so much for connecting to this channel. Thank you so much.